to you our graduate, Bibi Amina, who secured top position in BS Physics with CGPA of 3.42. Ladies and gentlemen, Bibi Amina.
Our gold medalists are our ambassadors who reflect through their academic accomplishments what BUITEMS strives for. We are honouring those individuals who through their determination and passion for learning and for not accepting anything less than excellence in their respective study programs. Today we will bestow 50 accomplished young women and men with gold medals. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request the Honourable Chancellor of BUITEMS to award the gold medals to the graduates. Hamna Zahir, who secured top position in MS Management Sciences with a CGPA of 3.75. Ladies and gentlemen, Hamna Zahir. Our next graduate is Ziauddin, who secured top position in MS Physics with a CGPA of 3.80. Ladies and gentlemen, Ziauddin. Who secured top position in MS Mathematics with a CGPA of 4.0. Ladies and gentlemen, Aisha Saif. Our next graduate is Samiullah, who secured top position in MS Environmental Management and Policy with a CGPA of 3.93. Our next gold medal recipient is Muhammad Waqas, who secured top position in MS Textile Engineering with a CGPA of 3.91. Ladies and gentlemen, Muhammad Waqas. Our next graduate is Muhammad Rahim, who secured top position in MS Computer Engineering with a CGPA of 3.7. I present to you Zulkafil Abbas, who secured top position in MS Electronic Engineering with a CGPA of 3.94. Ladies and gentlemen, Zulkafil Abbas. I present to you Amir Shahab, who secured top position in MS Computer Engineering with a CGPA of 3.78. Ladies and gentlemen, Amir Shahab. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for Rabia Ijaz, who secured top position in MS Computer Science with a CGPA of 3.80. Ladies and gentlemen, Rabia Ijaz. Our next graduate is Bilal Shabir, who secured top position in MS Telecommunication Engineering with a CGPA of 3.87. Bilal Shabir. Our next gold medalist is Nazar Mohammed, who secured top position in MS Electrical Engineering with a CGPA of 3.97. I present to you Zishan Qureshi, who secured top position in MS Management Sciences with a CGPA of 3.77. Ladies and gentlemen, Zishan Qureshi. Our next recipient is Muhammad Yusuf, who secured top position in MS Economics with a CGPA of 3.81. Ladies and gentlemen, Muhammad Yusuf. A warm round of applause for Shawaz Sharif, who secured top position in MS English and Literature with a CGPA of 3.91. Ladies and gentlemen, Shawaz Sharif. Our next graduate is Abdi, who secured top position in MS Electrical Engineering with a CGPA of 3.94.
Our next gold medalist is Nida Zahid. She secured top position in MBA. present to you Aisha Aftab. She secured top position in BS Civil Engineering 2015 with CGPA of 3.94. Aisha Aftab. I present to you Maryam. She secured top position in BS Telecommunication Engineering with CGPA of 3. Ali Sadar, who secured top position in BS Geological Engineering with CGPA of 3.7 engineering with CGPA of 3.84. Sabir Shah. I present to you Usama Khalid, who secured top position in BS Petroleum and Gas Engineering with CGPA of 3.95. Ladies and gentlemen, Usama Khalid. I present to you Maryam Ali. She secured top position B Architecture with CGPA of 3.75. Our next gold medalist is Zainullah Khan, who secured top position in BS Electronic Engineering with CGPA of 3.89. Muhammad Mashood Khan, who secured top position. Murad Mehboob Ali Silachi secured top position BS Biotechnology with CGPA of 3. Rabia Amir Sheikh. She secured top position in BS English Language and Literature with CGPA of 3.87. Rabia Amir Sheikh. Rasham Aftab, who secured top position in BS Mathematics. Best, and their dedication to their study has been inspiration to us all. Today they are standing before us as the illustrious graduates. We are so proud of their achievements, and surely they deserve a standing ovation. Ladies and gentlemen, rise from your seats and applaud these young men and women, the recipients of gold medals and badge of honor of 2019. It is the time for a memorable group photograph of the outstanding graduates. All the male, female gold medalists are requested to please come on the stage for the photograph. All the female gold medalists are requested to come.
And a light of the heavens and the earth. I would like to request Professor Qari Syed Arshad Yamin to come up to the podium for the offering of dua.
An ending and a beginning. It's warm memory of the past. Once again, we congratulate the graduates of 2019 and their proud parents. In a few moments, the academic procession will leave the Convocation Hall. The chief guests and dignitaries in the front row will leave the hall first.
with over 10,500. BUITEMS of Science and Technology, with over 10,000 of research and education, contributing to the socio-economic.
Pakistan is proud to equip themselves by discipline, education.
Relevance in what we do, in teaching, in research, and all of our stuff. BUITEMS' role is very much similar to this in future. We aspire high and want to be among the leading edge research.
A pioneer in many aspects of education, enhancing employability through entrepreneurship